Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your box truck capital, coming back at you with the 2019 GMC 3500. Under the hood, we have a 6.0 liter V8 Vortec gas engine, 122,000 miles on the clock. The GVW for this truck, 12,300 pounds. In the rear, we have a 16-foot Supreme cargo box. It's sporting a ramp and a tow package. Keep in mind, if you ever need E-track, liftgate, toolboxes, air ventilation, lighting, anything you can think of, we do that here in our shop. We also offer financing, extended warranties, and nationwide delivery. So give us a call, 405-912-5800, or check out our huge line of inventory online, Truck-n-Trailer.com.